Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and welcome to Tech Check. In today's video, I'll be unboxing something I picked up off Amazon. This here is a mobile CPU stand for basically most vertical PC towers. Now the first thing I noticed when I took this out of the Amazon box is that it's a different brand than I had ordered. However, looking down the bottom right, it is the same model number. When I went to the web page and looked, I'll try and show that up here. So, since it's the same model, just different, and it looks exactly like the item I ordered, we're just going to say that, alright, this is what I ordered, so let's unbox it. On the front here, you have a few bullet points telling you about the product, letting you know that it's got some anti-skid grip and casters. The inside of these four posts right here, I'm guessing, is where the anti-skid grips are, and then, of course, you can see the casters. It says it's suitable for most vertical PC towers and has an adjustable width from 1 centimeter to 25.5 centimeters. And for those of you who don't really follow the metric system, I have this tape measure here to show you that 25.5 centimeters is just a hair more than 10 inches. So, if that helps you out, the adjustable width from 1 centimeter to just over 10 inches. But that's it for this side of the box. Looking at the bottom here, again, it just tells you that it's a mobile CPU stand, your same 3 bullet points. And then the other two sides of the box is basically just a mirrored image. Same thing as you would get on the other two. So that's it for this box, fairly simple. The only way to open this box, as you can see the bottom here, is, well, I could pry that apart, but it would probably ruin the box. There's a little sticker on this end that we're just going to cut, pull the flap, and open it up. So let me get my knife and we'll get to it. So I went and grabbed my unboxing knife here, and since this does have a pull-out flap, you just got to cut in a little bit right there, cut inside this hole here, and then go this way on this side, just so you don't cut this whole flap, which should technically have released the flap. If I can get under the tape, there we go. Oh, I didn't cut down the sides. You might want to cut down the sides too. So just maybe give it a little slice there, a little slice there, so there's a little, there we go. And that should release the top. We'll get rid of that knife, put it away so I don't cut myself. And then, now that the top's released, opening up the flaps, as you can see, it doesn't look to be packaged in anything, just looks to be by itself right there. So we're just going to pull it right out, and you'll see when I see. Okay, and the wheels are just there on top. They're very small wheels. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels, so I guess all 4 corners and one right in the center. And here's some things that I guess we'll figure out what they are. Anything else in the box? Nope, no manual or anything. Should be fairly straightforward. But let me get rid of this box and then we'll look at everything. Alright, so I've gotten rid of the box. Now let's just take a look at all the items that were inside the box. Starting with this little piece right here. Well, I guess this is the main piece. So as you can see, it starts off right together. I guess this is your 1 centimeter width that they were talking about, if you can find a case that thin. But I'm guessing I just pull apart. Oh, okay, and you can feel little notches. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, sorry, I hit the camera, but if you can hear those clicks. So it does click into place. That's pretty neat. If we can open it right up. I'm sorry I can't get it all in camera here, but I can show you like this. There we go, it's on camera. So if we go like this, you can see that it locks into every position. Not very big gaps, so that's pretty good. And then, okay, so there's no rubber stopper. Okay, so I'm guessing these would be the grips that they were talking about. They do feel a little rubber, so how about we open these up and get them on. Okay, there we go. Alright, now, as I said, no instructions. Throw the garbage away. We're doing this by the seat of our pants, people. Okay, so I'm not sure what these are. I'm thinking they may go in there. Oh, okay, yeah, that would make sense. You put these into these holes right here. They're like rubber, right? I'll show you before I put it in. It's like rubber. It's flexible, you can see. So that's probably what the computer sits on, so it doesn't get damaged or anything. That's pretty neat. Make sure you got all 4. Yeah, there's 4 here. 3 and 1 I already installed. So we'll just get these in quick before we look at the other pads. As you can see me putting all 4 of these in. They go in nice and tight, and they're not really moving, but I'm sure if you did need to get them out, oh no, oh yeah, you can poke them right out through the bottom. So, all right, that's pretty neat. Then you have your little rubberized grips. Now in the picture on Amazon, they were a different color, but I like that they're actually black and matching. So we're gonna see how easy do these actually go on. As you can see, there's a little notched out part of the plastic that I'm guessing you just slide this right down on. So, oh, and a little notch in there I just noticed. If you can see that little bottom part would probably go into. So, but we slide this right on. Make sure that, is it on properly? Yep. Okay, so it doesn't click in or anything, unless I didn't get it down far enough, but it looks to be on fully. So that would be your grip, if you can see that. Now I'm just gonna quickly install the other 3. Okay, so they're on. They feel pretty sturdy. They're not coming off. I'm pulling. They do separate a little bit if you pull really hard, if you can see that. But they're not coming off, so that's good. And then I guess last but not least, you just have this little 5-pack of wheels right here. So get into these. Okay, I thought I was a bit stronger. I thought I could break plastic, but oh, and there they all go. Okay, well I'll have to cut here. Be right back. Alright, bet that was more fun for you than it was for me, but we got all the wheels, we found them all. Let's install them. So to do that, we're going to flip this over. As you can see, it's got little holes in each corner, which these should just pop right into. Just like if you're doing your gaming chair or desk chair or something. So we're just going to slide them in. Oh, they don't even really pop in. They just kind of pressured in there. So that's alright though, because when it has weight on it, it's not like they're going to slip out. Get the second one in there. Spins, it spins, the wheel turns. Get this third one in here. And then finally the fourth corner. I know I said they were on each corner, but if you forgot, there was actually a 5th one, which goes right here in the center. So we're going to slide that right down there. And there you have it, your mobile CPU stand. So as you can see, I've got this sitting on the floor here because I wanted to see actually how it rolls around on carpet. And one other thing I wanted to do was give you guys an opportunity to see how it holds up to basically a modern day CPU case. So right now, I have the Thermaltake Commander, and I'm about to test it out with it. And if you'd like more information on the Thermaltake Commander, you should get subscribed because they'll have a video unboxing this coming out on my channel soon. But enough about that. As you can see, it actually fits quite well. This is a fairly thick case, and there's still quite a bit of room. I had it on its last notch, I believe. We're just going to try and tighten it up a little bit. There we go, see? Nice and tight. It's not centered, but that's okay. And as you can see, okay, because it's on carpet and they're small wheels, they don't roll the best, but they are rolling. If you take your time with it, seems to actually work quite decently. So I'm actually quite happy with this, especially at the price of $12.99 for people like me who are building customers' computers, working on clients' computers, maybe need to shuffle them around a lot. It's going to be a lot easier on your back than lifting and putting them down all day. So I'm actually quite a fan of this. Now it is a little off-center. Let's see if I can slide it over and make it a little more sturdy. There we go. Now that it's slid over, it's much more sturdy. Okay. And we'll tighten up this back one yet. So they're all fairly tight. And yet, I'm really happy. As you can see, I'm putting a lot of weight, bending this around, and it's not moving, it's not coming out. I'm actually quite impressed with this mobile CPU stand. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of this mobile CPU stand, which is compatible with tower-style computers up to 10 inches wide. If you're interested in learning more about this product, or possibly picking one up for yourself, I'll have some links posted in the description below where you can do just that. And if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.